Week 5. How crazy is that? We have made it to week 5. Another interesting thing about this week. Last week, 4 days. This week, 4 days. Next week, 4 days. So what I'm going to do is this week I'm going to focus on checking really where we are and focusing on reading. To check where we are, on Monday, Tuesday in class, you have a quiz. After that quiz, I'm then going to have you watch a video about the grade books so that you can check your grades, make sure everything is in. So that's how we're going to reflect on where we are, how far we've come. To focus on reading, it's after you finish those things in class, you then have time to read. Because this week, you are going to have chapter 3 completed for Thursday, and then on Thursday, I'm going to assign chapter 4 to be due next week. I'm also focusing on reading, because if you are remote today, or remote Monday, Tuesday, you just have time to read. You just have time to make sure that you have chapter 2 finished for when you show up for the quiz on Tuesday, and then you can roll right into chapter 3 that's going to be due on Thursday. The one thing with chapter 3 is you do have to come up with 2 quotes that show Doug as a character, because we're going to start talking more about characterization. Wednesday, our remote Zoom day, we're also focusing on reading because Miss Lambert is going to come and talk to everybody, going to zoom in to all 8th graders and explain Overdrive and Sora to make sure people have digital access to books. Thursday, still figuring it out. So still to be determined. I have a meeting on Tuesday with the other English teachers. We've talked some things through, but we're trying to figure out, do we want like Thursday and Tuesday to be the same because of how we're missing Friday and Monday and have that be just the in-person days? Do we want to switch it up? We got to figure that out, figure out what's going to be best for everybody involved. So once I find that out, I will post it. But really the focus of this week, figure out where you are with a quiz and taking a look at the grade book, and then focus on reading. That's it. If you have any questions, concerns, worries, send me an email, ask me in class. Otherwise, have a great week.